Welcome to the Moody Chart Friction Interactive Calculator, which determines friction factors and related parameters for pipe flow analysis. Let's review the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate friction factor, calculate Reynolds number, calculate pressure drop, calculate flow velocity, calculate pipe diameter, or calculate relative roughness. For this demonstration, we're using calculate friction factor. Now enter your parameters. Reynolds number Re, relative roughness epsilon over D, flow velocity in meters per second, pipe diameter in meters, fluid density in kilograms per cubic meter with a default of 1000, dynamic viscosity in Pascal seconds defaulting to 0.001, pipe length in meters, friction factor F, pressure drop in pascals, and absolute roughness in meters. For our example, I've entered Reynolds number equals 10, relative roughness equals 10, flow velocity equals 10 meters per second, pipe diameter equals 10 meters, keeping fluid density at 1000, and dynamic viscosity at 0.001, with pipe length at 10 meters. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows F equals 6.400,000. The flow regime is identified as laminar, confirming low Reynolds number flow. The calculator also displays our Reynolds number as 1000 E plus 1 and relative roughness as 1000 E plus 1 in scientific notation. This tool streamlines friction factor calculations for pipe flow design. Find the link in the description below.